Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of tricks about man pages. We use man pages to learn more about a command on Linux and Unix operating systems, or I would say Unix-like operating systems. So the first thing I want to show you is, let's say you saw a command like this, and you know what ls means, but you're not quite sure about the option a. So one way you can get that information about a is you can say man ls, and that means you have to scroll down and find your way around this man page, which usually really a long list of options and descriptions and whatnot. So for this instance, it was quite easy to point the A, which was very at the very top of the page, but most of the time it's not that easy to get what you need. What I do is I have tips for that. The first one is man ls, and I extensively use this grep command in my daily computer use, whatever. And what you can do is you can use pipeline operator, and then you pipe the std out of that man ls to the grep command. And most of the time I need the whole word instead of searching the content of the man pages for the words that are part of another word. So let's say, and when you use this hyphen, that means all of the options for grep is finished at that point. Now you are given the actual input, and that is A. As you see, it actually filtered the lines that has A as a whole word, like this one. But also I'm more interested in this one. Most of the time it is good, but you also may need to get a couple more lines to get more information about a particular line, because it usually just shows a line but not following lines. So the grep command I'm talking about. So what you can do is, again, you can say W, and you can use A and B options, and A means after. So what I say 3, it says show 3 lines more after the match, and B means before, so I can say 2, it will show 2 more lines before the match, which in this case I'm not going to use B because I'm more interested in the lines coming after. Now I say, okay, all of my commands are done, so I'm saying A. The reason why I'm using this, by the way, is because if you don't use it, grep interprets this -A as an option instead of an input. Now I get a couple more lines after each match, so I see A and B, whatnot. I'm gonna give you another example, and this time I'm gonna see if command set includes any recursive option. So let's go ahead and say man set, again grep, and I'm looking for a whole word, and let's, okay, so it doesn't have that command. Let's see this one. Okay, so this is one way you can see, okay, this command does not have any recursive flag. But do this for ls to see if ls has a recursive flag or recursive option. So as you see, it has a reversed order. So the R means reverse, but I believe it has uppercase R, that is recursively list subdirectories encountered. And if you want to get more lines under that, again, you could have done, let's say 3 more lines, oops, and you could have get a more information. If there is more lines underneath this that is related to this arc option, then this will be a great way to get them as well. The second tip I want to show you is, if you don't like using grep, or for some reason if you need a better search or something, you could do redirection operator, and you can output this to a file. At this case I'm gonna say, and when this is done and successful, I want to open it with my code editor. As you see, it shows me everything I need. Interesting format though. And okay, so this is the thing. I don't know what happened and why I'm seeing all this x-axis. Normally I don't see them, but probably will work fine on yours. The others are looking fine. For some reason these are looking weird. But I don't know, maybe I should reset my computer or something. I don't know what happened. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope these 2 tips will help you a lot.